Mom, when my product comes out, you're gonna have to be in my videos. I'm gonna glam you with it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you guys, I have been seeing this type of video floating around for a minute now, and I believe that's Safiya Nygaard, I believe is that how you say her name? I know it's Safiya. I actually met her at a dinner once and she was the sweetest. I thought she was amazing. I think she actually started this video where she mixed all of her foundations together into doing one foundation on the face. And recently I saw Laura actually do it and she inspired me to do it because I thought it looked so fun. It literally looked like a big ass science experiment and I was like, I'm very intrigued. I literally have a lot of foundations here. Yeah, this is basically all my foundations that I have at this place. Like my mom and dad, like they have like all my stuff from San Diego, so they have like my San Diego foundations technically over there. But these are all the ones I have here at my house in LA. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be plenty. This is a lot of foundations. It's gonna take me a minute to mix all of these together. And so I thought it'd be really fun to get a little bowl. I got my little mug here. The wink, are you fucking kidding? Give it a little tongue. Actually, this is Nikita when she's in K-pop form. That's what today's video is going to be. I'm just gonna sit here and just kind of mix together all my foundations. I thought it'd be super, super fun. Thank you to Safiya and Laura for the inspiration. I'm excited to do this. But yeah, guys, that's going to be today's video. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys do not like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up, MannyMua? And welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. But yeah, let's go and get into today's video. So what I decided to do is I'm actually going to kind of rig a situation here so you can actually see me filling up this cup with the product. I saw Laura do this. She did like a little mounting situation when she recorded looking down. It wasn't with her phone. I think it was like her iPhone or maybe her vlog camera. I don't really know. That's what I'm going to be doing as well. Honestly, it would be impossible to dismount my camera and do the whole thing. I'm like, nah. So we're going to really try to make it work with the iPhone instead. This has a great camera on it, so why the fuck not? I'm going to try to set this situation up and we're going to literally just sit here and mix. We're going to apply some primer because we want to really make sure that we do this hella right. You know, we're doing this hella right and really fair. So we're just gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown skin base. And we're gonna go the fuck off. And just go in and just prime. I'm very intrigued to see what the turnout of this is going to be. I'm so curious. Let me also do a little bit of... You're lucky I'm a cat. And I have cat-like reflexes. So I'm gonna do a little bit of professional in the T-zone. Because we have to give this foundation or 40 foundations a shot. We're also going to go ahead and count down how many foundations are in this. We're going to see how many foundations we put to mix in this bowl. Bowl and peanuts. Laura says that. It makes me fucking laugh. Great, so now we're going to do a little rig and you'll see me doing the mixing. There we fucking go. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's something. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing. Okay. Miracles collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Okay, you guys, we finally finished mixing up the concoction. Tell me this does not look I'm sorry, but for real, this looks vile. I'm trying to destroy the chunks, you know? There's chunks in there and I'm trying to really mix it in. I'm like, okay, we couldn't have had some primer in here or what? Could have had more liquidy foundations, huh? Okay. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited to try this out. I think we got the concoction to a point where it's more frothy and smooth. Frothy? I would never want to describe foundation as frothy. It sounds disgusting. Moment of truth, we have a color here. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch, we're going in now. How much do I use? Oh my god, is this even be this is so pale? Or is it so me? That's the gag of it. Do you see that chunk? Do you see that chunk? I feel like I'm painting almost. I really do feel like an artist right now. I'm sorry I'm so fucking kind. I can't help it, you know? Okay, now we'll take our little Real Techniques beauty. It feels like it's burning. Oh, it's because I just shaved. I was like, why are you burning? Okay, we're gonna go in. Oh my word. Okay, let's go on. Come on. Why is the color actually everything though? That's the gag of it all. Okay, so we have a full coverage here. We have a full coverage queen, full coverage cunt. The gag of it all is that why am I actually living? That's what I would like to know is why am I living for this right now? Why is the color something I'm living for. The finish I'm living for. The coverage I'm living for. Okay, actually, so I decided I want to grab a brush to go with like down the neck and a little bit more on the face to add some more coverage. I'm taking a Morphe M439. By the way, if you guys are ever interested in a brush that's really, really good, not too expensive for like buffing out foundation and giving you like a really flawless finish, I would really suggest the Morphe M439. It's kind of amazing, and it's only like, I'm not saying only like it's really like inexpensive, but it's pretty affordable for a nice brush. And of course, you guys can use my code at Morphe. Y'all know this. I mean, by now, come on. Y'all know I'm a Morphe kind of girl. Okay? I don't like doing liquid down my neck, but I lost my Studio Fix foundation and the powder, and I have been knowing to do that. Technically, the color is still like a little bit deeper than me. I'm not surprised because I like to go darker with my foundation. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I guess it's like different areas are giving me different chunks. Different finishes. Okay, add a little bit more on the cheek so we can do it with the brush. I don't know why I'm living for this so hard, like I actually am. Okay, mix, mix, mix. Okay, you guys, so this is the foundation right here. And honestly, I'm slightly blown away with how much I'm enjoying this. I'm shocked. Like, it literally is so beautiful. It has so much coverage. It feels heavy on the skin, not gonna lie. I feel like there's definitely foundation on my skin. Definitely more on the satiny side. It's not dewy. It's definitely not like crazy dewy or anything like that, but it's definitely not matte either. It's definitely a nice satin finish with a lot of coverage. Look at my fucking face, bitch. Look at this. Look up close, up close. Okay, ready? We're not emphasizing the pores. The pores don't look crazy. Coverage is there. Let's go ahead and apply some concealer. Kylie Ivory. Right there, because that's more of a warmer color. And we're gonna do some Kylie. We're gonna take a little bit of bone. And then we're gonna set it with powder, and then we will have our final verdict of what we think. I really like the Kylie concealers, by the way. I really just love them. You know what's funny? Is that like, I haven't watched one of them yet, but a lot of people have been like comparing Kylie and ColourPop concealer, saying they're similar. I haven't tried them yet, but I didn't like the ColourPop concealers. So to me, it's like confusing because I didn't really love the ColourPop ones. I only tried it once though, maybe try it again. And I do live for Kylie, so I'm like, oh my god, I'm so full coverage, like I could actually scream. And the color looks fucking good too. Y'all know I love her good color. Okay guys, so what I'm thinking is what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna check back in a couple hours and see where we are at with this foundation. I'll know how I feel about a foundation in 3 hours. Like 3 hours is like my cutoff point where I'm like, bitch, I know if I like you or if I don't like you. So I'm gonna wait about 3 hours and see where we're at with this face and this foundation. So I'm gonna go and just finish up my makeup, and I'll be checking back in later on tonight to see what we think. But so far, so good. Obviously, I'm mad as fuck right now because I just powdered everything, but I had to give this shit a fair shot. And honestly, I'm really living for her. First impressions is I love it, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, what is up? I am officially back. I've had my makeup on for about 3.5 hours now, or at least my foundation is on. It's been on for about 3.5 hours. Random side note, today's actually the premiere of RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars. I'm going over to Daniel's and Joey's right now. So I'm gonna get going, but I'm gonna take off this makeup before. But I just wanted to talk about this and do a quick little check-in. Technically, it's the foundation to end all foundations. Like, it's the accumulation of foundation on my face. So this is what the face looks like up close, so we can see. I am definitely a little bit more oily than when I first started out. Of course, my oils have started to seep through. And I have a lot of texture going on right now on my cheeks over here. I think I have like a little breakout happening, but hey, what can you do? It's still looking so pretty, and honestly, like I would have to say, at the end of the day, this looked really great, and I think mixing all the foundations was kind of genius, and Safiya, you fucking killed it, and it looks so incredible. Like, I'm actually really happy with how mine turned out, and I still feel like I still have a matte finish. It's not super glowy, and I think it's because I feel like I have more matte foundations than I do dewy foundations because I am more on the oily side, but I feel like it just looks really, really good. Of course, I'm getting a little bit oily in the T-zone, but I think it's a really pretty oily, like not a fucked up oily where you're like, oh god, oh god. All in all, I would say that mixing all the foundations was a win for me. I think it turned out so pretty. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much. Mwah. Do you guys like my eye look? I think it's pretty. Can you do this? I forgot to wet a beauty blender, so I'm using this. Great. Mom. Wow. Actually, can you go ahead and wet a beauty blender for me while you're here watching me like a hawk? Woo! It smells fucking strong. Okay. I can't help it if I'm so popular. You know, just fucking stop. What's a pore, bitch? What's a pore, bitch? I feel like Heavenly Father, you know, Jesus in the sky, I feel like he came down and blessed me with this fucking carita. He said, let there be a paint. And I said, okay. On the 7th day, he said, let there be makeup. And I said, that's right. I swear to God, if someone doesn't turn on this AC, I will kill a small village.